Hello everyone, I'm Billie Bourgeois.
And I am Fenella Ruckel with Billie Bourgeois and Associates of Compass.
We support San Diego and the Temecula, Murrieta, Riverside County areas.
Billie, let's open up this breathtaking opportunity.
Come on, let's go.
We are here in the heart of the exclusive Four Seasons Lodge. Living in Four Seasons at Murrieta means having world-class amenities right outside your front door. The community's 10-acre recreational complex includes an exciting lineup of amenities designed for the needs of today's active adults. The Lodge, at the heart of the community, is the central hub for all social and fitness activities. This private resort includes a fitness center, outdoor pool and spa, sauna, aerobic studio, beauty salon, and hobby rooms. Outside, sports enthusiasts can enjoy the tennis, basketball, volleyball, and bocce ball courts. Golfers can brush up on their game at the community putting green and driving range. Life gets better all the time. 55 and better has never been so promising.
Welcome to 39386 Domaine Michael Drive. Come on, let's go take a look.
This property is the exclusive listing of Billie Bourgeois and Associates team. Stunning single-story home with over $200K in upgrades. Every room in this home has been enhanced to perfection. Gorgeous one-story, 2180 square feet, two-bedroom plus den office with 2 baths, providing the desirable double master experience. Leaded glass, accent windows, in entry and master bedroom and bathroom.
Here we have a spacious, open concept kitchen, ideal for entertaining and cooking. Gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops, a walk-in pantry, stainless steel with a large center island.
Top of the line, all Bosch appliances, stunning Elkay Quartz kitchen with diamond brand cabinets and Delta pot filler. Designer tile and laminate flooring throughout. Flawless attention to detail. Includes crown molding and plantation shutters with retractable screens throughout the home. Exquisite custom rock wine bar with wine vino temp refrigerator. Flowing spacious master suite with custom shelves and closet. Relaxing new remodeled second bathroom. Striking design teal charcoal gray cabinets and accent wall resin with a round turquoise vessel. Custom vanity with Brizo fixtures.
Step out into the backyard where you will find an entertainer's dream. Alumawood cover with ceiling fan, lighting, custom built-in barbecue with refrigerator, TV mounting, tile flooring with heating, and custom pull-down shades. Ideally located to the renowned Temecula wineries and Old Town, this unique resort-at-home community provides a private world where friendship flourish, recreation abounds, and quality is second to none.
We look forward to hearing from you. Home is where our story begins.